Hello guys and welcome to Affiliate Empire. My name is Rohan and I would be talking about passive income and active income in this particular video. So many of you don't know me. My name is Rohan and I have been a process and product trainer for some majority companies in India, some of the big companies in India, and basically I am from Mumbai in India, and I have started learning about passive income, and whatever knowledge that I'm getting, I am going to share it with you guys on this particular channel. So if you're new on this particular channel, do subscribe to the channel, and if you would like to learn about passive income and how to grow your passive income, then this channel might help you, and the journey that I am going through might help you to grow your passive income. So let's talk about passive income and active income. So every person in their life has two types of income. One is the active income and passive income. So let's talk about what is active income. So if you are at a job, or if you have your own business and you need to be physically present at that particular work station or your business or your job, then that particular thing is called as active income. It is very simple. You have to go to work, you have to trade your time for that particular amount, for any X amount. Maybe you are earning $100 for 7 hours or $100 for an hour. You have to give 1 hour so that you can get $100 back. So this is how active income works. The day you don't go to work, you will not earn any kind of money. The day you do not report, or you do not open your shop, or if you do not open your business, that is the day you suffer losses. That is how active income works. But passive income, on the other end, does not work the same way. Passive income does not require you to be a part of the business. What passive income is, it is about setting up systems in place, and those systems work for you. So to give you some examples of passive income, okay, you could be having a fixed deposit in your bank which could give you a monthly interest on a regular basis. That is called your passive income. You could have a home or a shop which you have given on rent. That could be a part of passive income. That particular rent does not require you to physically be present at the particular shop, and you just are sitting at home, and the person who is renting the shop is giving you the rent, and you're making income out of it. These are some cases, or these are some examples of passive income, and in the coming videos I would be explaining you more and more ways of how a person could generate more and more passive income in their life, and the various business models that are followed for passive income. So I hope guys this particular video will clear your concept about what is active income and what is passive income. So I hope you guys like the video. If you are new to the concept of passive income, do read more books about passive income. In the description box I will list some books which will give you an idea about what is passive income and how to generate passive income. And yes, if you feel like sharing this video with someone, do share this video with people, and help them learn about passive income. As I grow in my journey of making more and more passive income in my life, I would be sharing all the knowledge about it through this particular YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching till end, and thank you for being a supportive audience. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.